then you take a pictures. Sorry. And then paste it in Word file, which means doc file or docx file, whatever, right? Make a Word file. And then rename it. Rename the file as your name, student ID, and assignment number. For example, it's me, Jamel. Jamel, that is my roll number or ID, and then assignment 1, right? It will help me, to save all the files chronologically so that I may not miss your assignment in, putting the marks and all the stuff. Plus, this also requirement by the school, I have to submit all your assignments and all your finals at the end of this, course. I would send it to the office. So if you want to check something, when you go to the office, so office will be, find it very easy for you to find out your assignments and your, final exam and all those stuff. So are we clear on our assignment?
Yes, clear. Can you please upload it tonight?
Yes, I would be uploading and I will be sending you right now after this class.
Okay, sir,
so I'm allowing you the ePen, plus use your best handwriting, okay?
Okay.
You are not a medical doctor, so you are not prescribing me some medicine, right? You are writing the assignment. And remember, this assignments 30% of your total evaluation, so respect that. And also respect the due date.
Okay,
I
sir.
will not accept in any case your assignment after the due date. It's fairly simple. For me, it's not more than 20 minutes assignment, that's it. Okay? Please respect the solution.
Yes,
okay, any question?
Have a good evening.
If you have any question, we can talk about that. Otherwise, class is over.
Okay,
Sir, while everyone else is leaving, can I have a short talk with you, please? 1 minute, not more than that.
Let me just stop recording and then we talk about it. Okay, class,
Sure.
thank you. This is
Okay,
the end
bye.
of the class.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Please,
Bye-bye. Bye.
See you guys.
take care. Bye-bye.